Good morning, hello my beautiful friends. Jumbo card number 13. It's time because it's been a while. I've been busy with things and honestly it was just no time to jump in for the challenge. So I hope to fix this now and have a quick little card for you. I would love this distress oxide effect with the sprinkle of water on top. And I would love to do this on my background. So to start with, I'm just gluing down a rectangle from watercolor paper. Basically, I had the A4 size paper and I just measured it, not perfectly because look, my corner, this one, it's not as great. That's okay, I don't mind. And I just glue it down with Mod Podge because I have Mod Podge, because I would love to use what I have. So I glue these two together to have my background with the watercolor paper for this color, because I'm thinking about this little girl and this color, Victorian Velvet in Distress Oxide. I'm hoping to put my inking here on this card, sprinkle with water and have this beautiful effect. I think my absolute favorite color combo in general is gray and blush pink. I love that color, absolutely one of my most favorites. So I'm going to jump in with that pinky color first, the Victorian Velvet, onto my background, and maybe I'm gonna add the maybe gray color to it as well. Either way, what we will do is we will cover the whole. I don't know why is this not giving me the color right now. I feel that I'm pressing pretty hard to get the color and it's not really that much happening. Maybe it's dry. I doubt it because it's new, but yeah, look, we'll make it work. We'll make it happen. Okay, so we've got that pinky color, and on top of that, well, on top or on the edges, which I would love on the edges probably, most importantly, more to add this gray color, the pumice stone. I was thinking if I can find the pumice stone anywhere. I'm pretty sure I had this. I had this somewhere, so let's look for it. I don't see it here. Pumice stone, nowhere to be found here. That's okay. If not this color, then similar gray. I found it. Pumice color. My brush isn't the best because I can't find a gray brush, so I'm just going to use this. I like the idea that this pumice stone color, it's kind of giving us this dirty touch onto the whole card, very similar to the image, I would say, and I love that. Okay, so we've got this warmer tones now and all. Okay, I think that's good. We'll see what we'll do afterwards, but for now I think that's looking very good. My phone, sorry about that. Okay, let's grab the tissue paper which I have here and let's do some splashes with just water. There we go. A lot. And this should dissolve the colors and, you know, make this all fantastic. And let's see what will happen. There we go. Ooh. Oh, how gorgeous is that? So it took away the color. Love this very much so. So that's our card and we have our girl as well. However, maybe we could add, well, firstly probably let's just fussy cut our beautiful little girl. I was really hoping to use her because she's cute and standing on the back. She has a little spider on her sweater, and I think she's going to be fantastic, even though I think the color could be even more pink. Let's see if we could have, that's a very pink color. Then we've got one more pinky. Oh, and I have this color that looks, they all kind of looking to me, I don't know how to explain, but nearly too pink. if you know what I mean, nearly too pink. Or maybe I will actually add this color pink just a little bit, guys, just like, see, like a touched, so that it does feel pink more than anything. Okay, so we've got this very pinky, nearly too pinky if you ask me, but we've got this. I'm curious of this color. I'm just trying to see if I have a proper brush for it, because I have been, maybe this will do, because I have been trying to, oh, I love it, there we go. I have been trying to keep my brushes, someone said don't mix distress brushes with the oxide, so I'm trying to keep my, well, not the grey one, but these two, the regular inks and the colorful one, to the oxides. We'll see. I think I still need just a few more brushes, basically. Oh, see, that looks gorgeous now. That is super nice. Oh, very good. Okay, now, oh, I love it now. I love, love, love it. Even a slightly darker here and here, and maybe slightly here. The question is, are we still adding some sprays? No, I mean splashes on top, just to see. Maybe that's not a bad idea at all. Okay, that's it, because let's just not make it too much happening, right? Oh, that's cute. I love it. I think the next step really is to fussy cut our beautiful girl. Today we will do something that I haven't done kind of for a while, to not say nearly never. I've got the clear embossing new ink pad, but I got it months ago. I also have the white embossing powder from Agateria, and I also have beautiful stamps, which I think they could be so beautiful if we could stamp somewhere where the girl is behind her in white. I'm thinking that's just my, I don't know. Look, we will try and see. It's Studio Light, but it's Janine's mindful art collection, Wild and Free, and it's gorgeous. It's a beautiful selection of stamps. I love it. I love all sort of greenery, so why not to use it and try it. Let me just open it up. Ta-da! Oh, they are very pretty. Do you know what? We probably don't need the book anymore, so we could be in the middle pretty much, and yes, something like that. Let's see. I'm gonna emboss first. No, sorry, I'm gonna stamp it first, because I don't know how well things are going to be. So it will be a pure experiment. I hope this is wet. Let me see. It is wet, okay. I hope this is wet, and I hope this will work. If not, that's okay. We'll start again. Okay. That gives me zero effect. But to be sure, because maybe it's not visible, I will just have some white embossing going on top of it. See? It looked like nothing, but it's actually there. Oh, and it looks so gorgeous. What a delicate embossing powder. Wow. I hope you can tell. So she's going to be there, and we've got already, one second, we've got already, so we need something, oh, there. I'm glad that I actually chanced it. What a pretty stamp as well. I'm glad, because it felt that it's nothing there, but you see? Okay, this is gorgeous stamp. It's like the dandelion one, so let's see where she is. So we're gonna try to aim with this dandelion thingy to be there. Okay, and if this is there, maybe something on the bottom. What would be nice at the bottom? Text would be nice indeed. Text, or Actually, anything would be nice. I'd say I'm gonna grab this tiny one as well and just have a little bit of a play. Maybe next to here. 1 second. Something like that. I don't know how fast this dries, so I'm going to just grab the embossing ink. There we go, straight away, kind of straight away, before it dry and we see nothing. Oh, that's so pretty. I love how delicate it is. I hope you can tell. I hope you can see it. Beautiful. What else we can do? I don't want to give too much happenings, but something on the corner. I think I'm gonna just go in with the text, guys, because it feels safe, it feels fine, it feels, you know, that it's going to be okay. So I'm gonna grab that text and randomly, really. Is there anything written there? Not really. That's okay. I like that. I like that sometimes there's nothing written and it's okay. It's perfectly fine, because sometimes all we need is just a text that means nothing. It's just like a lovely background and that's it. Okay, so hopefully this will be here. But I'm going to add touch here. Okay, and more embossing powder. I like that delicate emboss. I never used this embossing powder from Agateria. I had it for a while now, but I don't know why, what's stopping me, to be honest. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Now it's time to emboss it, because emboss means we need to heat set it. So you will, but before I'm gonna do it, because I think the last thing I would love is to have, I probably will look for and see if my embossing ink is good enough, because it's very delicate, which I like, which is good as well, but I just wonder if that's how it's supposed to be. I absolutely love how delicate it is. I'm gonna bring you closer, 1 second. I hope you can see. It is lovely. I love the whiteness of it, and I love the fact that we had the little little spots with the water, and it all looks lovely now. So now, time to heat it up. So it means with the big heat, we're gonna set the powder on, so it's not gonna be moving at all. I just wanted to show you, because I embossed this. You can see that it's kind of more visible, probably more white as it goes with the, well, it's on the darker surface as well, but you can see even here that it's very striking white because of that being embossed, and less here now because I didn't emboss this corner yet. I didn't heat it up, so it looks even nicer, much nicer, and you can touch it and just see nothing will happen, which I can't touch this yet because it will get destroyed. It's like a powder being glued to the glue. Now we have to set it up. I just explained it because maybe some of you are new here and never heard about embossing and stamping. I'm no expert, but I do love the effect and I keep on forgetting using it, and I think it's a wonderful opportunity right now. Hello my friends, I'm back where I left everything 5 days ago, 6 days ago now. Unfortunately, if you've been watching my Facebooks, you probably have seen the post of very unexpected loss. So please forgive me for we're trying to go back to yeah, I think so. We're trying to go back to, you know, everyday life, but it's so hard. More things to be done today, so I just wanted to finish the video quickly, have it off my desk so I can do other stuff. And I have, you know, I recorded before today's video, this video, I recorded the 3 industrial books, so I want to publish this one so that I don't have to go back to the studio for another few times, and I can just give you the videos that I recorded earlier. Oh, lads. Okay. I don't know what I have been saying about this card. What was the plan for the prompts? I have no clue. I didn't go back in the camera. I won't. I may when I will be editing. Maybe I'll check it. But I'd say it's pink and embossing, is it? Or something like that. Me saying goodbye. Off camera I added the just a little cardboard, not the thick one. You could of course just add it as it is, but I just wanted this to be more sturdy, but at the same time I didn't want this to be too 3D, two-dimensional, right? So just to make it nice and a little thicker, more sturdier, I'll just added just the cardboard in places, and now I'm gonna just add the glue. Come on, birdie. And I'd say I'll do the same here, so it will be a little bit 3D, but not as much, you know, just more of a sturdy feel. So let's add the glue. I hope to be in the studio more often now, because art is our therapy, right? For everything, so. Okay. And the birdie. Maybe a little bit lower, because she looks as if she's checking on him. Like I check on him. And let it fly away. I may just add the tiny splashes. I don't know, guys, if I'd be at all able to come back for another while to hear. Maybe it would be more sense to make some videos without voice, you know. Maybe just add some music or voiceover later or something, I don't know. I just can't picture myself now chatting. I'm glad I have something pre-recorded and I can occupy you a little bit, and I can focus on finishing the books, the new books, and take my mind off it. But I don't know. I honestly don't know. So if I won't be around, guys, you know why, you know, for another time. The glues came. Lucas ordered me my glues in the meantime, the last few days. These are the one that I like a lot. The restick, I think it's like, yeah, less than 5 minutes, so they clear, they're cute in that sense, because you can restick stuff, and I do like them a lot. So that's it, my friends. I'm gonna let you go. Mind your loved ones, guys. You know, tomorrow is not granted, so yeah, I'll see you soon.